Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So in this video, we are going to see some basics functionality of Dart and we're going to see what are lectures and what are string interpolation in Dart. So let's get started. Let me create my void main first. And let me define a variable a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. That is my two variables. If I want to do some mathematical calculation, I can do inside this in print, and my result will be in 30. I can do multiplication, I can do division, I can do any mathematical calculation inside the print as well. And we have another way, like I can store these calculations, these values inside a variable, and I can print this variable inside this. So I have assigned A and B values inside this, and I'm just printing C. So I can do multiplications, divisions, anything with this. There will be no problem in that. Now, one question I just let me write some strings value, like the multiplication of A and B is. Now how can I concatenate string value with integer? How can I print string value with integer? So currently if I run this, I am facing an issue that it will not going to concatenate a string value with an integer. So for this I have to convert this string value to a string. So now I have converted the string, the integer value to a string, and now I am able to concatenate two strings, because concatenation always works with only strings. Perfect. Now there will be no problem with that. Let's see if I'll do the same things like a plus b mathematical calculation inside this. So I have to convert the whole phrase to a string. Like the previous example I have taken is a plus b. So currently I have to convert the whole phrase to a string. See, perfect. Now there will be no problem with that. Also, we have another very good way to make this. So I can do variable c equals to a plus b, and I am using the dollar symbol and just call the integer value. Perfect. So now by using the dollar symbol, I'm giving the order to my compiler that the value or the variable attached with the dollar symbol is a variable, and you can pick the value as it is defined in the variable section. Now what if I'll do the mathematical calculation inside this? Then I have to do, or you can say I have to convert the whole phrase by using a dollar symbol. So currently what I'm going to do is I'm just converting the whole section to a sorry, this should be a braces. Perfect. So now I have to convert the whole phrase to a inside a curly braces and put a dollar symbol, because dollar symbol which always occurs only with the attached variable. Currently, like if I'm taking the example, like if I'm removing this, so you can see the only dollar a is showing in green color, means it will pick the value of a from here, and applied, and b is always taken as a string. So now I have to convert the whole phrase and I have to attach the whole phrase to my dollar symbol. Perfect. Now let me run it and see. 30 200 is my desired output. Perfect. So now this is the way you can use these things inside Dart. So let me do some calculation with the strings values. Now let's take the example of a string as well. So let's say we have a string name, a string as the name is Praveen, and we have a surname is Surname is Prakash. This is my complete name. So in that there will be no difference between a single quote and a double quote. So you can print name plus surname. Perfect. So it will show you name and surname. Now what if I have to give one space between this? So you can write these things like this. And now you can also add name plus this, and you can print only this. Sorry, this is name. Okay. So now it will show you Praveen Prakash without any space. And so let's see one more example, that is variable variable lang equals to let's learn Dart. So basically in this example, if you are able to see that currently I am using double quotes, so there will be no problem with this string. It will print currently let's learn Dart. Now if I use single quote in this string, I have a problem. Reason is let's also have a single quote, so it will take this quote as an opening quote and this quote as a closing quote. So it will take let's as a string and other is not authorized. Perfect. So currently what I can do with this, let's run this and see the error with this. See, language let's learn that expected 14 after this, because it's expecting quotes, because it's not able to identify as learn Dart. So for solving this problem, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press one backslash. For using the backslash, what it can do, it will remove this code, and currently the opening code, this will become the opening code and this will become the closing code. So currently there will be no problem with this. Perfect. So this is basically your string literals, and the value of the variable is known as literals. Means if I'm assigning a variable, if I'm assigning a variable a equals to 10, then the value 10 is known as literals. Here it is known as this string value is known as literals. So basically, I hope you like the video and you like my channel as well. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And if you are facing any issue, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. And you can also follow me on my social media account, link in the description. Thank you.